Have you recently bought a CMMS and are unsure how to achieve your maintenance goals? You're not alone. Setting clear and measurable goals after investing in a computerized maintenance management system can be a daunting task, but it's a crucial step to maximize the benefits of your new software. From productivity to cost effectiveness, the right goals can transform your maintenance operations. Well, worry no more. We will break down 6 ways you can smash your maintenance goals with your new CMMS. Firstly, it's all about metrics. Picture this. You've just implemented a shiny new computerized maintenance management system. But how do you measure its success? The answer lies in setting metrics-focused goals. These goals are the yardstick by which you can measure improvements in productivity and cost effectiveness. By tracking these metrics, you'll be able to see where you're excelling, and more importantly, where there's room for improvement. So whether it's reducing downtime or increasing equipment lifespan, metrics are your key to unlocking success. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. The second key to success is your team. The full potential of a computerized maintenance management system can only be tapped into by a well-trained and continually developed team. It's not just about the initial training, but fostering an environment of ongoing learning. As the system evolves, so too must your team's knowledge. This continual development helps ensure your maintenance strategies are not just effective, but also efficient. Remember, a CMMS is only as good as the people who use it. Invest in your team, and they will ensure the success of your CMMS implementation. Thirdly, you have to maintain accurate and clean data. Imagine your CMMS as an engine, and data as the fuel that keeps it running smoothly. The quality of this fuel determines the performance of your engine. Accurate data allows for informed decision-making, leading to improved maintenance strategies that ultimately save time and resources. Remember, garbage in equals garbage out. So be diligent in feeding your CMMS with high-quality, reliable data. Your CMMS is only as good as the data you feed it. Our 4th and 5th points are interrelated: inventory management and failure metrics. Let's dive right in. Just-in-time inventory management is a strategy that can revolutionize your maintenance process. It's all about having the right parts at the right time, not too early and never too late. By aligning your inventory with your maintenance schedule, you can drastically reduce the cost of storing excess parts while ensuring you're never caught short. Next, let's talk about failure metrics, specifically mean time to failure, or MTTF, and mean time between failures, or MTBF. These metrics give you insight into how often your equipment fails and how long it typically runs between failures. With this information, you can plan your maintenance accordingly and avoid unexpected downtime. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to keep your operation running smoothly and efficiently. With these strategies, you can ensure that your equipment is always ready to perform. Last but not least, the 6th key to smashing your goals is preventive maintenance. Picture this: a well-oiled machine humming along, free from unexpected hitches. That's the power of preventive maintenance. It's about staying one step ahead, keeping everything in check before the alarms start ringing. And how does a computerized maintenance management system fit into this? Well, it's your conductor, orchestrating each task, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. It's about preventing unplanned downtime, keeping the wheels turning and the productivity flowing. Preventive maintenance is the secret weapon in your maintenance strategy. So, there you have it, 6 ways to smash your maintenance goals with a CMMS. Just to jog your memory, we talked about setting metrics-focused goals, investing in employee training and development, maintaining clean and accurate data, optimizing inventory management and failure metrics, and the significance of preventive maintenance. Remember, a CMMS is a powerful tool that, when used effectively, can significantly improve your productivity and cost effectiveness. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and guides. Thank you for watching.